All right, this is going to be interesting because I tried to do this video prior to this and it wouldn't let me do microphone and speakers out at the same time. So you're not going to be able to hear my speaker output, but I'll see if I can explain this the best I can. So you're going to get this assignment and it will play two intervals. So it'll start with one interval and then a space and then another interval, or two sets of notes. If you miss that interval, I'm going to get this little icon thing out of the way, you can always click on this repeat button, and I think you get unlimited repeats. Okay. One interval will be the sound of Jaws. The other interval will be the sound of Happy Birthday, and they'll be all over the piano. So it'll be a really low one, a really high one, a medium one. You just have to listen carefully. So when I listen to it, the first one was Happy Birthday. So I'm trying to find all of the Happy Birthday or major seconds. So if it was a major second or a whole step or Happy Birthday, you're going to click the interval that it was. So if it was the first interval, which in this case it was, you couldn't hear it, but it was, I'm going to click interval A. Had it been the second interval that was Happy Birthday, you could have clicked B. So I'm going to go through all of these and click as many as I possibly can. So we go on, and you'll notice that every question that I do, one of these little bars turns green. Now, if I get the question wrong, it'll show me where the half step was. I can actually click on the piano and play those intervals to hear the difference. Okay, and then move on. So when I get done, all of those gray squares or all of those little gray bars at the bottom have turned either orange or green. You might have more orange than green. You might have 100% green. It just depends on how your ear hears these notes. When you click finish, I want people to at least walk away from this exercise getting more than 30%. That's not hard to do. So if you can get more than 30%, what you're going to do next is you're going to take a screenshot of this little certificate here. Whoops. There we go. So take a screenshot of that, copy and paste it into the Google Doc that is attached to this file, and it'll say, put your certificate from exercise 1 here. This is exercise 1. When you've gotten done with this, there are 2 more exercises that you do that are very similar to this, and I'll go over those in other videos.